So hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Side Hustler YouTube channel. My name is Priyanshu Gupta, and in this video I'm just going to review Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, the affiliate stacking ecosystem. What is 3 days challenge and what is inside the blueprint? I'm going to show you each and everything, and in the end, if you will watch my full video in the last, you will get to know about my earning and my bonuses if you will join this affiliate marketing program from my link. So let's get started. Talking about 3 days business breakthrough challenge, in the day 1, Jonathan will help you out about the affiliate marketing concept. He will let you know about the affiliate marketing ecosystem as well as what is affiliate marketing and how you can start your journey of affiliate marketing. In second step, Jonathan will help you to create your own business in 40 minutes. The video duration is 1 hour and you will see there are some homeworks you need to do in each and every day. The first homework is like you need to download the workbook. Second one is you need to create your funnel. Third, bonus affiliate marketing, 14 days trial of ClickFunnels. Fourth bonus is 7 step to become an super affiliate ebook, and he is giving bonuses as well. In day 3, Jonathan will let you know about the tips and tricks about the traffic, how he is generating a lot of traffic and making a commission of 1 to 2000 minimum per day. Moreover, you can become a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate and get 50% commission on each and every sale. And the second bonus is regarding the white label funnel and ebook, in which Jonathan is providing you white label funnel, which means he is providing you his own funnel which you can use for your business and earn commission. Talking about growing on YouTube live training, in YouTube live training you will get to learn how to dominate in YouTube, how to optimize your YouTube channel, and in bonus the legendary mastermind formula, YouTube 6-figure, how you can earn. Its cost is around $47 I guess, and you can copy his exact YouTube video scripts, slides, keywords and template to create your own content and get the traffic on your affiliate marketing business. Now it's time to show you regarding affiliate breakthrough course intro, like about affiliate marketing program of Jonathan, which is a blueprint. By following these blueprint, these modules, you will become an super duper affiliate marketer, because these blueprints are very important to you. If you will follow each and every step, definitely you're gonna get results faster. Talking about the modules, there are 12 modules in total number. The first module is Intro to Affiliate Stacking Ecosystem, in which Jonathan will explain about affiliate stacking ecosystem, in-depth example of affiliate stacking ecosystem, how to pick extremely high paying niches, how you can pick your own niches. In module 2, he will let you know about the perfect affiliate funnel, how you can create a funnel which will help you to generate leads, as well as that funnel can convert those leads into customer. Third module is very important, the email marketing mastery. In the email marketing mastery, you will get to learn how you can use get response tool in order to send emails to your customers and try to offer them each and every day by setting an automation system. In module 4, you will notice the king of free traffic, YouTube, which means how you can get an amazing traffic from YouTube every day. In module 5, you will get to learn about free traffic from TikTok, how you can get an amazing traffic from the TikTok. In module 6, you will get to learn about the Facebook groups, how you can create your own Facebook groups, as well as how you can find your dream customers in multiple Facebook groups. Because if you will learn this skill, definitely you're gonna earn a lot of commission. This is very interesting module because Daniel Chow, who is high ticket affiliate marketer, like he is earning $15,000 to $20,000 per month. He is sharing his own strategy how you can earn by following him and copying his exact funnel, as well as YouTube script, what type of questions you want to ask from the customers. In module 8, you will learn from Joshua how you can earn high ticket sales from Facebook. In module 9, you will get to learn about how you can create your affiliate marketing website, because it's 2021 and websites are very important if you want to grow your business. So if you want to grow your business, you need to learn these kind of things. Then definitely you will become a super duper affiliate marketer. In module 10, you will notice Nathan Lucas, who has earned more than $1 million, will share Google SEO mastery. In module 11, you will get to learn about Google Ads, how you can use Google Ads to expand your business. Similarly, in module 12, in launch jacking, you will get to learn how you can do a launch jacking by grabbing new affiliate programs and doing review of those programs, which will help you to generate a good amount of commission every day. So what excites me the most is you will get white label course, which is of 3 days challenge, which means instead of getting 50% commission or 75% commission, you are getting 100% commission for sure. So this is the best opportunity, man. Seriously, he is giving away his own business to you so that you can make 100% commission. If someone pays $7, $47, $97, you will get exact amount. Not 50% commission, not 75% commission, but it's 100% commission, guys. Talking about the bonus, along with this blueprint, you will get 75% commission, which is 1,112 USD if you will join this program. And in the bonus, there is Inside the Mind and Business of Super Affiliate, which means you will get to learn from another person experience who is earning $10,000 to $15,000 per month. Moreover, if you have already this blueprint, you can upgrade to 2.0 by paying 500 USD, which is a one-time investment. Talking about my bonuses, if you will join through my link, I'm providing you 8 bonuses, which is very beneficial for you. First of all, if you have any problem you want to know about this, you can watch the webinar and you can watch my review. I have already added the review. So the first bonus I'm providing is one-on-one mentorship call, in which I will help you out what to do, what steps you need to take. Second bonus, I will review your YouTube channel. I know about YouTube algorithm. As you can see, I have 34,000 subscribers. Third bonus is I will provide you WordPress course for free, which cost is around $1,500. Fourth bonus is I'm going to provide you 50 plus marketing ebooks, which will help you to grow your business. Fifth bonus is I'm going to provide you SEO checklist, which will help you to dominate in the websites. Sixth bonus is I'm going to provide you customer avatar worksheet, in which you can create your customer avatar and work on that avatar in order to get commission. Seventh bonus is I'm going to provide you 700 plus motion videos, which is no copyright. It means you can use this video without any permission. You will not get any copyright strike. Eighth bonus I'm going to provide is video marketing course, which is very informational for you, so that you can do a marketing by creating a videos. If you are shy, if you don't know how to create content, how to generate leads, so this is the best opportunity for you. So if you will join through me, definitely you will get these 8 bonuses. If you have any query, you can text me on Messenger as well. The link is in the description. Moreover, I'm going to share my earning, how much I have made from this Freedom Breakthrough program. So as you can see, on 1st August, I got 337 USD, but on 2nd May, you can see 890 USD, 1933 USD, 2911 USD. So I have made like 4000 plus passive income in 4 months. Most probably 3 months, like May, June, July, August. Like it's 4 months, and you can see I have made more than $4,000. So if you will join this program, definitely I'm going to provide you these 8 bonuses, and I wish you all the very best. And if you have any doubts, just comment down. I wish you all the very best, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.